you cannot be 100% sure that this will not happen to your data center. So you have to make sure that you have a process, a policy in place, what to do if this happens to our own data center. Yeah? So we are going to talk about business continuity. Yeah? We are going to discuss what options do we have to implement business continuity. Of course, we need business continuity. Creating a disaster recovery site will, of course, cost your company money. Yeah. So we need to do a business impact analysis. Then we need to know what type of data center facility do we need as a disaster recovery site. There are many options available. Same as with all the standards, we need to follow a plan, do, check, act cycle. Yeah? So we need to make a business continuity plan. We need to implement and operate the business continuity plan. So normally when you have a disaster recovery site, you actually do a disaster recovery test. So one or maybe a few times a year, you are going to switch over to the disaster recovery site. Actually, when you are running a data center for a bank, this will happen maybe 2 or 3 times a year, correct? You need to monitor and review the results of the test, and then, of course, where necessary, you need to make improvements to the business continuity plan. One of the most important things when it comes to risk assessment is communication. Yeah? Communication includes all information obtained from risk management activities. Of course, communication needs to be clear, concise, useful, and of course on time. Yeah, we need to tell the people, all the stakeholders, what is the current status of the risk and what is the progress of the activities that are taken to mitigate or reduce the level of risk. So communication in risk management ensures that all participants involved, that they understand why did senior management make a decision on the way how to treat the risk. So why, what was the basis on which decisions were made, and why particular actions are needed. Some people say, why do we need to make a backup? Because we think we can transport the EMC device safely to the other data center. Well, if senior management says you need to make a backup, then it is a decision of senior management. No questions asked, but of course you need to explain to your staff that senior management decided to make a backup to reduce the risk of losing data. What is document management? It is actually a process to make sure that all the documentation is created and controlled using standardized methods and utilities. A lot of people think when we talk about the document management system that it is an electronic system. That is true, there are electronic document management systems, but document management system is actually a process to manage and track all documents in your data center, both electronic documents as well as paper-based documents, to do this either manually, to have a paper-based document management system, or you can do it automated. Some Microsoft also has a document management system available in the market.